Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Trendy Hot Beauty. My name is Kenzie Craig Michaels, and today is Secret Sundays. Today we'll be reviewing a fabulous product. It's one that is underestimated on the market. It's actually by Urban Decay Cosmetics. Now, if you don't know this already, Urban Decay Cosmetics is cruelty-free, and it's also vegan-free as well. So for all you animal lovers out there, for cats and dogs, be advised that this is a product line that you want to invest in. It is a little more expensive. However, it is not necessarily a luxury brand. It is midpoint priced range for their foundations, their powders, their concealers, and their setting powders as well. So today we're going to be reviewing the Naked Urban Decay Illuminated Shimmer Powder. Now this product is absolutely gorgeous. If you can actually see it up close, it looks like 24 karat gold. It's 24 carats gold in Luminous is the shade name. It retails for $45 Canadian, so approximately 30 some dollars US. And you can pick it up at any department store that carries Urban Decay, Sephora, or any Shoppers Drug Mart beauty boutique that carries Urban Decay in Canada or in Europe as well. So this is a handy dandy product. It actually has a shimmer mirror on it that you can actually see. Oh, there are my glasses. There's my tripod that I'm recording on. I brought it to my friend's place just because I'm cat sitting for the weekend while he's in New York City. So anyways, this beautiful product retails, like I said, for $45. But what's neat about it is it has that mirror, which you actually see. And you see my funky glasses there. Actually, underneath the product is a brush for applying as well. So not only do you get the mirror, but you actually get the luminous powder, and this is the lightest shade, and you also get the brush for applying. So this brush is great for applying above the cheekbone area, above your blush. You can actually use it as a multifunctional product as well. If you want to use it on your collarbone, if you want to accentuate the tops of your shoulders in the summertime, or your décolleté as well. You can also use it as a shimmer on your legs, ladies in the summertime as well. Basically, it's a face and body powder. I use it for both face and body. It gives lots of luminosity, lots of iridescent pearls to it, and it actually doesn't look so metallic like cheaper brands of shimmer palettes that can give that metallic look. This is super sheer, and it is an amazing product from Urban Decay, and I'm so happy to be featuring this product. So it comes in this cute little box, which makes a great present for anybody. And like I said, it is cruelty free as well. So I want to show you the amazing shimmer shine that you get from this pearlescent product. So I'm going to open it up, and you have your mirror so you can see what you're doing, and using your brush as well. And I'm just going to use my finger to show you here on camera how beautiful this shimmer is. Can you see that, ladies and girls and teenagers? It is absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm actually going to apply it down the bridge of my nose so you actually can see that it gives such luminosity, because I am at my friend's place and I can't find any makeup brushes. So lots of luminosity. You can apply it here as well, and I'm not wearing any makeup right now, so you can apply it right here, and it gives lots of luminosity as well. Like I said, on the brow bone too. If you wanted to, you could even put it, see that luminosity that you're getting there? I'll show it to you on my hand as well. It just gives such a glow to the skin. I'm going to apply some of this onto the back of my hand so you guys can see that it's not metallic. It just gives a very luminous shine. I don't know if you can see that or not, but anyways, it gives a luminous shine to the skin. So retails for $45, cruelty free, an amazing product. Go to either your local department store or wherever where the Urban Decay is sold, or urbandecay.ca or urbandecay.com, and purchase this product. As you see, it gives lots of luminosity to my skin, very iridescent, and it doesn't look like I've actually plunked a lot of shimmer onto my skin. That being said, you're probably wondering why I'm wearing a hat that says Redken on it. And there is an answer to that question, but it's a secret question. So that will be revealed next week when we talk about a very secret line of products for men. Take care, everyone. I'm Kenzie Craig Michaels from Trendy Hot Beauty. Make sure you go and get Urban Decay's products. They're absolutely divine. Thanks for choosing us, and give this video a thumbs up, a like, and hit that subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching. Cheers, and have a great day, everyone.